So we will start making the coconut shell bird craft. Okay, so firstly what you have to do is you have to take any kind of cardboard sheet. I have sent in the material list. You see, I have taken this cartoon, the cartoons that we use when we go for shopping or online shopping, the cartoons we get. I have used that kind of cartoon. If you have any other type of cardboard, you can also use that. Okay, so what you need to do is take your pencil and draw a heart shape in the cardboard. Okay, draw a big heart shape in the cardboard. I have drawn a big heart shape in my cardboard. Now you need to draw another heart shape smaller than the first one. Okay, make sure you leave a thick gap between the two hearts. Like this, I have made two heart shapes here. If you are not able to see it properly, you can see the photo of this craft. I have sent in the material list. I have sent a photo. There in the photo you can see the heart shape and the branches, how it is made. You can make it in the same way by looking at it. Okay, now I'll make the branches. First we will draw this with pencil, and then what we have to do is we have to cut that out. Here I am making the branches. So here, if you are able to see it, you can see how I have made the branches and the heart shape. Now what you need to do is take your coconut shell. Okay, take two of your coconut shells and just measure just above the branches here, like it is given in the picture. Just above the branches, keep your coconut shell over your cardboard and make a circle. Okay, just measure how much area the coconut shell is taking and make an outline with pencil. Okay, so I have made an outline here. I have made two circles here because I need to stick two birds. So after doing up to this, what you need to do is you can take any kind of pencil cutter or scissors and you need to cut it out. So I have taken a pencil cutter here and I will cut my outline that I have made in the cardboard. Here you see I have just cut out this shape from the cardboard sheet. Your coconut shells need to be in half, okay? If they are broken from some parts, then you can't use them. It needs to be in perfect half. So what you need to do is if you are having these kind of fibers in your coconut shell, just take them out with your fingers, just pull them out. Okay, pull out the fibers from outside of the coconut shell so that it will become smooth. My voice is not clear? Yes. Your coconut is not properly in half, you are asking? If you are able, if you can show me, can you just show me? Okay, it is in half now. Yes, you can use that. Please switch off your mic. So after taking out these, I will just throw it. You don't need to keep this husk. Because these are small husks. I have said in the material list that you will also need some coconut husk. So what I mean by husk was, you need something like this. Okay. You need something like this. From the outside part of the coconut, I have taken these out. These are the bigger fibers. You can see these are the bigger fibers. I have taken these. So we'll keep this aside. Now after completing up to this much, what we need is, we need to color our coconuts. Okay, we need to color these cells. So now I'll take out my colors. Here, if you want to make a yellow bird, you can color it yellow or pink as you wish. Okay, you can just give any color you wish. So I'll be taking some water in my cup. You need to take out your paint brushes. So here I am using a medium sized brush. You can use 8 or 7 number. You don't need to mix too much of water because then your color won't stick to the coconut shell. Just a little amount of water is you can take a mixing plate or something like that where you will mix your colors. You can even take a simple plate to mix your colors. What you need is, you need to take out some white, and a little bit of blue. So now what we are basically doing is, we are making a lighter shade of blue for the mouth part. Okay, for the down part we need to paint it in a lighter shade, and the rest we need to paint it in a darker shade. You can also see in the picture I have sent you in WhatsApp. So I'll just mix a little bit of blue and white to make a lighter shade of blue. You can see I've made this kind of blue, and where you need to paint is, you need to paint a triangular part of your coconut shell in this color. You see I have made a triangle. You need to just paint this part. The rest we will paint with the darker shade. Taking a little bit of water, we'll just paint it. So you all are able to do up to this much. Okay, so you can see I have completed painting the lighter part. Okay, I have completed painting the lighter part here in a triangular shape. I have completed it. Now I'll just keep it and I'll let it dry. What I'll do is, I will color the other coconut in a triangular part. So the another coconut we have to color it in a different shade. So for this I am taking pink. If you wish, you can take any other color. I'll take pink color, paint it. So what we will do is, we'll take out some pink, we'll take out little bit of pink, and we have to mix it with white color. We have to make a lighter shade. Okay, so what I'll do is, I'll mix it with white color. So I have made this kind of color. I have made light pink here. Now, like the one we have did earlier, we need to paint another coconut shell in this triangular part. Okay, so we'll paint it like we did the first one. We will paint it in a triangular shape. Okay, you don't need to paint the inside part of the coconut. because we'll just stick it over the cardboard. After doing up to this much, we will color the rest part of the. You first can take out the color you have used for the first coconut. I have used blue, so I will take out my blue color. This one. So this time you need to color it in a darker shade. Here we have colored it, this part in a lighter shade. We will color this one in a darker shade, but we don't need to color it in a very darker shade, a little darker than the other part. So I will just take out my blue color. If your blue color is very dark, if you think your blue color is very dark, what you can do is you can just mix a little bit of white to make it a little light. So my blue color was very dark, so I'll mix some white color to make it a little bit of lighter shade. Yes. Here I have made this kind of color, you can see. Now I'll dip my brush in water and I will paint the other half of the coconut. So here you can see I have completed coloring one of my coconut, the blue color. I have completed coloring it. It looks something like this. Yes.
Is the shade okay now?
So now I'll color the second coconut shell, that is with the pink color. Okay. So for that I'll take out my pink color. Because my pink color is very dark, so I'll just mix it with some white. So I have made something like this. Okay, I have made this color here. I'll add water and I'll start painting the other half of my second coconut with this darker shade. So here both of my coconuts are complete. I have completed coloring both my coconuts, and yes, my pink color. Okay, I'll take the pink color, and here I'll not mix any white or any other color. I'll just take directly the pink color, and I will the line where the lighter shade and the darker shade meets. Okay, where the lighter shade and the darker shade meets, I'll just make a outline here with the dark pink color. Make a outline with the dark pink color like this. Here I'll make a line. Okay, between these two I'll make a line with the dark pink color. On the other side also I'll do the same. So I have made two lines in both the sides of this triangle, okay, with a darker pink color. Like this, how I made this, how I applied a dark pink color here, I will also apply a dark blue color on this one. Here I have done it. So both my coconuts are ready. The coloring part is complete. Now I need to let them dry totally. Okay, first I'll let it dry. After that I will start working over. So I have taken out my coconut husk here. If you don't have this coconut husk, you can take color papers to make this. Okay, so what we will do with this husk is we will put it here above the head of the bird. Okay, at the top of the head of the bird we will have to just put it. So I have taken this much for one bird. I have taken this much for one bird, and for the other bird I will take this much. So here I have two bunch of this husk. Now what I will do is I will just paint, before painting it I will just cut it. So this is a bit long, so I will just cut it little bit from here. I will cut it with scissors. Okay. So this much is okay, and you need to color it in a darker shade than your coconut. Here this was the shade I colored my coconut with. Now I'll color it with a little darker shade. So I'll dip my color in water, then I'll take some paint and I'll just start painting. So I have colored both of the husk, one with blue and another one with pink. Now because these are coconut fibers, you need to let them dry properly. It will not dry very fastly. It will take time to dry. Okay, so you can just keep these aside and you can let it dry. Colored both my husk, and now I'll just keep it aside. So meanwhile what we'll do is we'll color our cardboard. Here you see I have just cut out this shape from the cardboard sheet. Okay, so the coconuts, what we will actually do is we will stick the coconuts here, and the rest part we will cut it out. We will paint it. Okay, the rest of the part we will paint it. So you can give any color you want in this heart shape. You don't need to give the same color as that of your coconut. I can give yellow or orange or green. So yellow color. I am not taking the bright yellow color, the gold type of color. Here I have taken golden yellow. Taken golden yellow to color it. You can color it with any color as your wish. So if you will add too much water here, then you need to apply 2 coats. So here I'll give a little bit of red on the top to make it look good. I'll give a little bit of red here. and at the down also I'll give a little bit of red. So to make it look a bit shaded, okay, I'm just doing this. No, no. Okay, so you can see how it looks now. Like this I will do on the other side. Here I have completed coloring the heart shape. Now I'll color the branches. Okay, so for the branches I take brown color. Here I am using dark brown color. For the branches I suggest that you also take a darker shade of brown. So I'll cut. Here I have completed coloring the branches. You can see so what I'll do now is I'll just let it dry. I'll keep it aside. Now we'll take out our craft papers. Now what I'll take out is I'll take out white color paper. Okay, I'll take out white color craft paper. Don't use very thin craft paper. Use a little bit of thick craft paper. Okay, don't use thin Xerox paper or other papers. If possible, you can also use chart paper. So now what I'll do is I will draw a oval shape here. Okay, what we are making is we are making the eyes. We are making the eyes. So you need to draw a oval shape. Don't draw too big. You can just take and measure it with the size of your coconut, how much big you want.
ज़्यादा चाहिए ये चलता है।
So I have taken this big circle. For the eyes, so you need to make 4 eyes because we have made 2 coconuts, so we need to make 4 eyes like this. After drawing that with pencil, you can just cut out any other color paper. The color that you have applied on your coconut, you need to take out that color paper Like I have used pink color, so I'll take out pink color paper. So here I'll take out the pink color paper. So you need to take out the lighter shade. Okay, here the lighter shade of color paper, you need to take that color paper. So I have used here light pink, and what you need to do is you need to make small circle, smaller than the white circle. You need to make small circle in oval shape. In oval shape we will make a smaller circle. Then after taking out a smaller circle, you can just cut it out. So here I have cut out two pink color oval circles. Now what I will take is I will take black color paper. Okay, I will take out the black color paper. And we will cut out two circles from the black color paper. So here I have this black color paper. I will cut out two circles but smaller than the pink circle. Okay, smaller than this, we have to make two circles. With the black color, so I will draw it first. So after cutting the black color paper, you again need to take the white color paper. Okay, you again need to take the white color paper and you need to cut two circles, two small circles, very small. Okay, smaller than the black one. You need to just make the small dot inside the eye with the white color paper. So I'll just make very small circle. You can also see in the picture, in the material list picture, there is a small white circle inside the eyes. So that one only I am making. So here I have cut out the white circles also, the small white circles you can see here. So here I have all the circles that I need. Just reach on. So I'll take out glue. For this you need to take out your white glue. Don't use yellow glue or any other kind of glue. So I am using white glue for this. So first take your white color circle and you need to stick this pink color circle inside this white color circle like this, okay, like this. So I will apply glue over this pink color circle. And I will stick it over the white color circle here like this. You can see. Now I'll take another white color circle and I will stick another pink color circle inside the white color circle. So we'll make two eyes for the pink coconut. First we'll make two eyes, then we will make two eyes for the blue coconut like this. I'll stick the eye. Then what I need to do is I'll take the black color paper and I will stick it inside the pink color circle, okay. So I'll take the black color paper, I'll apply glue and I will stick it inside the pink color circle. I will take another black color circle and I will stick it inside this pink color circle. So like this I have stuck both the pink and the black color circle, okay. Now what you need to do is you need to take the small white color circle, and you need to stick it in between the black color and the pink color circle. The blue eye also, you can see. So now what we'll do is we will take out the blue color, that color, if which color you have given in your coconut, you can just take out that color of the craft paper, and what you need to do is you need to draw the tail of the bird, okay. So how will you draw the tail of the bird? It is also given in the picture I have sent you, or otherwise I will just show you. Like this, okay. You need to make a disc kind of shape. You all are able to see it, this kind of shape. And we also need to make the feathers of the bird. For that we will make two triangles like this. And now you need to make two feathers for two sides and one tail. Now I'll cut it. Okay, here you can see I have taken out two pink color feathers and one pink color tail. Now we will take our coconut and we will stick the feather, the tail and the eyes over our coconut. Okay, so you need to stick the eyes over the darker part of your coconut, not over the lighter part. So apply glue. I have applied glue here. Now I will take the eye and I will stick it here. You can see. Now I have just stuck the eye like this. You need to stick the eye. Okay. Now you need to stick the tail at the down part of your coconut. How you will stick it? You have to stick it from inside, from the inside part of the coconut. For this, what you need to do is you need to fold your tail. Okay, you need to just fold it from the upper side. You can see like this. You need to fold it, and then you need to apply some glue over this fold and stick it from inside part of the coconut. Before sticking, what I will do is, before sticking it, I will take before sticking okay, so before sticking this tail, what I will do is I will take a black color marker. Okay, I will take a black color marker or a sketch pen, and you need to just make some lines. Please switch off your mic. Please switch off your mic. Okay, so using a black color marker or a black color sketch pen, you need to draw some lines on the tail. Okay, you need to draw the outline of the tail like this. You can see like this. First you need to draw the outline of the tail. Side part of the coconut, you can stick it here. You need to hold in there for a few seconds, and like this it will look something like this. After sticking the tail, now we will stick the feather. In the feather also you need to make outline with black color marker or black color pen. After making the outline, what you need to do is you need to fold the feather. Some part you need to fold this part of your feather. Okay, so we can just stick it. If this is your feather, you need to fold it like this. Now we will apply glue over the fold, and we will stick it at the corner of our coconut. Okay, in the darker part only we will stick it at the corner of our coconut. Now both the sides we need to stick like this. I'll take another feather and I will apply some glue and I'll stick it at the other side of the coconut. After you have completed up to this much, you can see what else we need to do is we need to make the mouth. Okay, for the mouth I am taking a orange color paper. For the mouth I will take a orange color paper. Here I have taken orange color craft paper. What we need to do is we need to cut a square. Okay, square from this orange color craft paper, this big, not very big. We need to cut a square. Now I'll show you how to fold it. First you need to fold the two corners, the front two corners. Like this. Okay, you need to fold the front two corners like this. Then you need to fold the back side, fold the other two corners like this. So you need to make a diamond shape here. Okay, like you make the game Stars and Moon, you need to fold it like this. You need to fold it like this from all the four sides. After folding it like this, you need to fold it in half. After folding like this, you need to just fold it in half so that it looks something like a beak. Okay, it looks something like a beak. You need to fold it like that. Then after completing up to this much, what we will do is we will stick this mouth here. Okay, we will stick this mouth here. You can stick it with some Fevicol. You can just take some Fevicol and stick the mouth here. So you can see like this I have made the mouth of the bird. Okay, so now what we have to do is I will take the pink color coconut husk. I have painted the coconut husk in pink, so I will take that pink color coconut husk and I will apply some glue on the top of the head of this coconut and I will stick this coconut husk there. So you need to hold it for a few minutes. So for the next step, what you need is you need to take out green color papers. Okay, green color craft paper. You can fastly just take out some green color craft paper. So here I have taken out this green color craft paper. If you want, you can use two types of green. Here I have two types of green color. So what you need to do is you need to make leaves. Okay, you need to make leaves of the branches. For this I will just draw some leaves like this. Okay, like this you need to make the leaves of the branches. Cut out like 15 or 20 leaves like this. Okay, so after making the drawing, I will just take my scissor and I will cut out this leaf. Okay, this was my cardboard and my colors have also dried properly. Now what I will do is I will stick these leaves over these branches, okay, over the small branches that I have cut. Here you can see, like over these small branches, I will just stick the leaves. So I will apply some glue and I will stick these color papers. After sticking these leaves, I will just stick my coconut here. So I will take my coconut, I will apply glue over this circle we made. I will apply glue and I will just stick my coconut here. With glue you can just stick your coconut like this. I have stick one of my coconut here. In the same process you need to make another coconut, and what you need to do is you need to stick that coconut beside the first one. Okay, and after sticking both your coconuts, your coconut shell bird craft will get complete. Now I'll show you what you need to do with the woolen thread. I have taken this woolen thread. You can take the woolen thread of any color. So I will take a small part out from this woolen thread. You don't need a very long part. I have taken this much and I will just tie it around this heart. Okay, in the upper part of this heart here I'll just tie it. You can make a knot. So this woolen thread is for hanging the craft. If you want to hang this craft over wall, okay, so you can just hang it with the help of this woolen thread. On this side also I will tie it. And so your coconut shell bird craft will get finished. If you want, you can add some glitter over this heart and some strokes, some more leaves, you can decorate it. So here you can see I have completed the whole craft. I have completed the whole craft. I have given some lines with sketch pen and I have given a little bit of silver color here. I have stick these coconut husk and the beaks, and I have also tied woolen threads here, and this craft is complete. With these woolen threads you can hang it on a wall or wherever you want.